HP 255 G10. Turbocharged power, lifetime office and a free CD, DVD drive. All in one killer bundle. Meet the HP 255 G10 Business Laptop, the productivity beast that laughs in the face of lag. With an AMD Ryzen 3 7330U processor that smokes the Intel i5-1135G7, 64GB RAM, and 2TB SSD, this machine doesn't just run fast, it blazes through tasks like a caffeinated rocket. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or binging your favorite shows, expect smooth performance without those annoying freezes. And with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, security and efficiency are baked right in. Why settle for sluggish when you can have seamless multitasking at breakneck speed? Bigger, bolder, and brilliantly bright, the 15.6-inch Full HD display on the HP 255 G10 is designed for serious screen time. The anti-glare coating keeps your eyes happy, while the micro-edge design gives you an immersive, almost bezel-free viewing experience. Need to get work done in a bright cafe or a dim-lit office? No worries, the display remains crisp and clear in all lighting conditions. Plus, with low blue light technology, those late-night Netflix marathons, or work sprints, won't leave your eyes screaming for mercy. Let's talk connectivity and extras, because HP didn't just throw in a laptop, they packed a powerhouse bundle. Wi-Fi 6 delivers lightning-fast internet, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures flawless device pairing. A spill-resistant keyboard protects against coffee mishaps, and the numeric keypad makes spreadsheet warriors rejoice. But here's the kicker, you get Microsoft Office Lifetime, yes, forever, and an 8-in-1 external CD, DVD drive for all your media and backup needs. Who even does that anymore? HP, that's who. You work hard, your laptop should too. The HP 255 G10 is built to last, with durability that outshines most competitors in its class. From its sturdy build to its efficient cooling system, this machine is designed to handle long hours of intense workload. And unlike laptops that slow down after a few months, this beast remains snappy, reliable, and ready for action. Upgradable RAM slots mean you can push its power even further down the line, ensuring your investment stays future-proof. Here's the bottom line, this laptop is a steal. For a price that won't have your wallet sobbing, you get a premium business laptop, an office suite worth hundreds, a versatile external drive, and a powerful, upgradable system that can handle everything you throw at it. Whether you're a student, a pro, or just someone who hates slow computers, the HP 255 G10 delivers unbeatable value. Speed, durability, and insane extras, what more could you ask for?